What's up? Let's talk about eBay. Look at this. eBay. $500 day today on eBay. So check this out. Today is a $500 day. Yesterday was kind of slow. We had a little over 300. But day before yesterday, it was a $650 day. That's crazy or what? I think we're coming back strong, feeling great. But check this out. I'm running late to a post office. I cannot go to the Goodwill outlet today. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, like, comment below. But let's talk about eBay. So number one, whenever we have some kind of an issue and we call eBay, they punish us. For some reason, every time we call eBay, they literally, our sales slow down. If you have that happening to you, please leave it in a comment. What else? If you don't list, if you miss a day, eBay punishes us because we list 7 days a week, 20 items a day. So that's a lot of listings. So if we miss a day, eBay will punish us like 3 days later. Our sales will slow down because it happens all the time. Last time we got sick, we didn't list for 5 days. eBay punished us for a whole month. We're finally coming out of that punishment. Seriously, you're like a slave to eBay. What else? Negative feedbacks. We got a negative feedback today, and the guy tells us that the item doesn't work and it was a CD, and my wife sold him a dongle. She's like, hey, I sold you a dongle, it wasn't a CD. We work with our customers. So it happens too, you know, sometimes people leave accidental negative feedbacks and you gotta just deal with them. And what else we got? We're having a great day today. It's not too hot, it's perfect. I'm sipping on my Starbucks coffee. I wish I could go to the bins today, but I can't. Yesterday I bought 119 pounds. I think I spent $85. And then after post office, I went there again and I spent $30 more. So I spent like 115 bucks. But I have enough items to list for 3 days, so which is nice. I mean, I love going to the bins, Goodwill outlet. That's what it is. Bins, Goodwill outlet. It just it's fun, but I got other things to do. I want to enjoy, you know. I only live once. I mean, I do want to get out. I love fishing. I only been fishing once this year. I mean, I gotta get out more. And so yeah, it feels good. I mean, making money on eBay feels great. And I just need to get my second account going because I can double my income. Double. Well, hey people, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Share me on Instagram, Facebook, Reddit. Yeah, share me on Reddit, because if you're sharing people on Reddit, that like just makes you blow up. Seriously, if you do this, it would be awesome. If you share me, please leave a comment like, hey Andre, I like your videos. I shared you on Reddit. I shared you in my Facebook forum. What else? Like the videos and comment. Please comment if you have any questions about eBay, because hey, I might be a professional in here. I've been doing this since 2014 full time. Like, I'm getting all the props in here because my wife is the one that pulls the strings. I mean, I pull a few things, you know. I mean, I go do errands, you know. I know a few tricks in here. No, seriously, you gotta have a great team. You gotta have great people work on your team, because you gotta be great yourself. Like, look at this guy, freaking great. No, you can't be great. You gotta be good. You gotta be good. Seriously, if you have any questions about eBay, or you know, what to do or how do you do it, or please ask me and I will answer. And you know how right now it released by itself and it sucks. So there's a program, I forgot what's the name of it, and if you really want me to make a video about it, what they're actually doing, they're scamming you. They're freaking scamming you. That Leapfrog or Inkfrog, they're scamming you, because we got a hold of them. And if you want to make a detailed video, please let me know, because people don't even know about it. They're actually, instead of every time they cancel your order, they charge you 10 cents. And we like literally got a hold of him, and we're like, hey, we are in this big community on YouTube, on eBay community on Instagram, and you guys kind of like been doing kind of shady, and so they're working with us in there. I don't know what's really going on there. I don't know what's really going on, but there's a few things that I know, and if you want to know more about it, if you want me to make a video about it, please let me know. I will make a video about it. Thank you so much. Hopefully I make it to the post office. I think I will. Goodbye.
If you send priority, you have to use it